Well, hey folks, I'm here at Palo Duro State. Well, I'm not at the state campground. I'm at right next door to it. But I'm here to see the state, or the canyon, also called the second Grand Canyon of the United States, or Texas Grand Canyon. Let me show you what's going on. And as you can see from the clouds, it's not very pleasant here. Matter of fact, the temperature here is in the 30s and 40s starting today and going through tomorrow. And I'm leaving here Thursday. This is Tuesday right now. So basically my 3 days here are going to be all the same, just kind of crappy. They have a zip line here at this campground, which is not the state campground, right there. And actually, that is right over there is the state campground headquarters, I think. But anyhow, the valley is right there. The canyon is right there. And supposedly, we are not supposed to, sorry about the wind noise if there is any, but supposedly, we're not supposed to go down in there. We'd get kicked out if they catch us. And I'm probably not going to try. I'm going to probably go tomorrow and spend the $8 and with my e-bike and travel it quickly, getting some of the more higher end sites videoed and send them to you. This is the campground right here, though, that I'm next to, or in. And there's my bus right there. I had to get here on the 2 bad days in a row. And it's supposed to get down into the lower 30s tonight, mid to lower 30s tonight and tomorrow night. So I had to put a heating pad on my water tank in the trailer. But yeah, the zip lines are only done on the weekends. So I was kind of disappointed on that because I wanted to do the zip line. But hey, how you like my new touches to my bus? I painted the top of the hood, the bumpers, and detailed the wheel well, or the fender well, the edge of it. Anyhow, just figured I'd give you a look around, and of course I will do the same for the state park. Anyhow, I just figured I'd give you an update. Plan on leaving here Thursday morning, getting to Albuquerque that Thursday, and then I'm scheduled into, I guess it's scheduled. I'm should be in Phoenix by Monday morning, and I'm gonna go to AAA and have them find out where this leak is coming from. And then from there, I will go to Quartzsite, where Randy and the gang, Randy Botts and the gang are staying there and waiting on me. Not waiting on me, but you know what I'm saying. Anyhow, that's it for this time. Thanks for watching, and be safe.